you want go. I pray may you go Nigeria for that April. You want go Palace. I just can't wait for you to be in Uromi. May you go do what you want to do. I want you to go to Nigeria. Now, dear me for the target you. As I did, if now this journey I want to deal with more than 5 years, what we did ask about the DNA. No, not be 5 years, let's say 3 years or 2-3 years. Where we did ask about may go return the Peking Papa, go give Akbo, the father. No, na double tap and share this live screen. He don't tell where we they talk am. The man ex-wife talk. Me I talk am. Why this one can't dey strange to you? Oh, you say you don't know this girl. But I come out inside this week on say una want they do backyard work. Is it on Monday? Una want they beg people, make they come they talk for una behalf. And that Jane I go saga you. I don't fit tell them before. Nobody go hold me. You are a betrayer. You are a witch. That girl will come aside tomorrow. I go saga you. Yes. No go they call people, make they beg for back. Make they beg tomorrow. Mommy Mary, good evening, Mama. Thank you. I go saga your nonsense come out. You see yourself? Since you say you want come life for back, you go they call they beg. Tomorrow, if I don't get time, if I still get time, I go still give you your saga. But tomorrow you receive from my hand. You are a betrayer. Any esa person where they betray, you can never be my friend. I hate esa betrayers. I be confirmed esa, but when you betray your own person, and you can't come outside, can't carry tears, can't tell you say me sabi the work pass you. Me sabi, say, I didn't told media. Me tell you say shame me the shame like you never dey hear. Fear no catch you. Now you tell them say, you know they come outside, you they look for husband. How come overnight, the same road that thought say he don't know you before? I got the record, I record everything will happen. If I want to analyze and not be, now me I fair use my mouth talk. Road that talk say he don't know you, they can say make road that call you. Road that can they say he don't block you. Overnight, he can't know you. As road that they call you, he can't they mute, they persuade you, make you come the live screen. Then you can't come, you can't say why they met your name. You not wait oh, Jennifer, not be you be Jenny Punky. You not chop for inside the man. Jenny Punky, you and Rhoda not sleep with the man. Wait to make you not marry the man. If you useless like Rhoda, if you carry belly for another man, you not chop for this Christian Jabal. No be you the man like at the first place. When you thought say the man old pass my people now 30 story they break on give una. Before I go they enter the road that una way they talk of Juju matter, King matter. This same girl will come today. They be teary. Where they come this man house to sleep there. This same man love can't like the Jenny Punky, which is the girl where be candy something can't talk today. So as he like her, then they walk hustle normal level. The hustle now that they use black. The man they carry this one for inside. He like that one where come out today can't talk because you want your secrets come outside and make as you want you say, may you not come that show, you say you will come. So now the man can't like this one. This one say the man too old person. Where can't they cry a year cry today? He can't say the man too old person. Now this sister where they chop the man. That means maybe that they chop together, you know now. Threesome. I don't know as soon as they do for that side. You understand? So now the man can say okay. This one I can say in okay. This one way they yellow that good can say in okay. That one no accept say for marriage. Now this one can accept say he go there with the man. When he notice say he don't carry belly for Akbo wife. When I first bring you a picture come outside, his sister come outside, and I want this Akbo. Una never una want draw me. I just first explain more. This Akbo. When I bring you come outside, you first come beg me. May I drop your video? No. This road and I draw your leg come outside because any else we no respect itself. Now so they see. Any else we no forget say it still get else way they condemn people else. Now so they see. I was so shocked road that they say na my else. Is it not the same way they talk to all your else? When you and your husband stand for live video for Facebook, to say why you not go talk to your else? Your husband can say why not? It don't mean anything. It don't reach Papa no platform now. You don't they say my else. As far as say you accept say Akbo now your else, I'm going to paste the picture right now. Cause you post my else. You post my so now I know the boy. No, now give me gift first. I know they release the boy like that for free. Make una they release gift. If you know you want to know the boy, una need to release gift. We need to see this boy. Of course, need to come defend himself. Why he go sleep with his sister? First of all, you accept. I don't say how your juju want to work. You accept, say the boy sleep with you, now your S. Because if not me, Ojuju no say no Juju, if you carry me go where you defend me. For sure, me and you don't go Juju, we don't tire. You don't carry Juju, you don't tire. You understand? So now, the thing where you, if una say una one swear, you accept say he cross you, I be not cross you. How come man wey cross you can't carry Juju come say, wait, they sleep with you, where you friend? You go carry Juju come say, he say, now I get my picking. You go feel really swear now. I don't say you sabi swear. And if una want see when me and I don't work carriage, I will bring videos come out tomorrow because night don't come. Me and I don't go palace. Palace come wanna. Say me everybody go face their life for abroad. May we stop this dragging. He can't swear put 2 palace, my village and my husband village. Who me swear put. They can't talk. Within 3 days, this girl come outside again. He begin to saga me and my husband. So we want to bring the boy out. Now go give me a gift. God punish you. When I did my day, you suppose avoid me. For you to come outside this December, go bring Juju come. Fear not catch you. They put Christian Jeba. Oh, that they come for now.
They put for that.
The Jeba family. They come
for Nigeria.
Who join and show if you know who they join so where they come.
Show me for wait. See what I want show me for. They have to go down.
And they come here and said, "Yeah, you want to see person now. Whether you dey on top of Bolana, you can come and show the say Kokoba. Hey, Ogbemia. You know they know where the enter person platform. So right down now, this same girl come outside. He can't retalk waiting we don't fair talk before. Overnight, you can't say na Juju they know you for. And this same girl now, with the talk, your mama don't pop up for body. Your mama don't swell up. I told her, I say, when my husband first see her mama, my husband say, that woman not go last again. And if your mama die, I go come saga you. Because now you be number 1 person who walk by your mama. And me don't enter mama life. You know, say, when I come the chat, say, they train in papa grave. Maybe because there was a time the brother even come follow me, the senior brother will get land where they for bury papa. Maybe they don't go the land, go remove the name for the papa grave. And me go hold my manna. Yes, spirit must fight for who? The spirit must fight for himself. As we dey talk, na mama body don't pop up. Yeah, better tell son. In mama body don't make pop up. He says since 5 days, person way they do Juju for media. Since 5 days, this Ozo never call her mama once. Mama dey sick 5 days. This witch will be saying on Juju life as you small rich so. Your maid they buy land for Lagos, Benin, and some different places. No be you know they buy Juju. This girl can spend 1 million for Juju just to bring person down. You now no go call your mama. You know go carry and go better hospital. Make them treat her. All you can do is say no Juju you want they spend for with confidence. They sit down, they talk, say, tell me how much things where they want buy this way. Rather when me and you go palace, when you talk for my body, more than they listen to who this girl be. Wait till she talk, I judge her. She no see something to judge for me. Now they can say, as they come, they try settle the matter. Say, Matt talk, Matt respond. Let me educate you about how Juju. As far as say you tell her, he tell you back. Oh, Juju, they not the swelling for Esan land. Now make I want make she carry and go Esan. Matt talk, Matt respond. Even for Benin, they not the swear that way. The only thing they will tell you, they also whoever talk the matter again, they go swear put. And if the person don't want her like that, the person go rest. So go Esan land. Anyway, we carry you go for Esan land. It goes sweet. No Romy, you for come. Maybe last now you go kill God because if it be say where you for come, where you for come, if it be sisters. All these things I they teach you now in case you be a son, you won't bring anything come. If you be a fanjo, according to what I hear, in a fanjo, you get the other place where you say you for come. It be like saying a dear papa for come. If he go use police for you, he go kill God. If he go summon you for there, he no go food you evil. And if he swear for you, you follow the like me now. No, you know everybody know if you understand this thing. If they fit cut okofora, like fan, they'll cut and fan. As me and here, because when they go village or papa grave, they say, una grow for if fan, then your make papa village now where that girl we talk for come for Rumi. Now there your papa for console. That mean now your sister you they fight. And you don't feel sorry for your sister. So be careful when it comes to Juju Road that before you go die young. So go and land. Go and land. Today, one thing I observe about you be say if you they talk, any person can stage you for life. You know they fit talk. You know get confidence of yourself. You know get boldness of yourself. Not only your platform for the make to. If you get confidence, as I did now, nobody go fit humiliate me for this life as far as media is concerned. But when they reach road that would do, you go turn to another thing. You know not say that girl, don't tell where road that call that girl the humiliator. You don't say where that where this girl they call that girl. I beg come oh, they don't lie for my head oh, they don't do this oh, they don't do that oh. I can't come outside, I can't talk. The girl where God will punish, where you and this girl fuck that man, you not can't talk today. You can't tell them measure. Why they not measure your name? One of they chop the say the Magbola, the Jennifer Punky. You don't know say you they go call your name. You don't know. You can't go there now. Can't they betray the other one? I see say that one don't know what till not gotta do. Why the road that no can talk? Make that one open mouth, they go know everything come aside. The Jennifer Punky way they talk, you know join road and that other girl sleep the man house. These are the questions. You hear people. You know, call me there. I hate betrayers. I don't deal with betrayers. That is why I'm different. Then you call me there now, you can't begin to cry. What it concern you? If you know that you cannot be truthful, why you climb the up? Why you climb the up? So, my people, the question goes now, who is Akpo? We are going to post Akpo. Akpo, you have to come and debunk. If now you be the last person who sleep with Rhoda before you go meet Christian Jebo, it's not a new thing. Yes, it's not a new thing. You have to come and debunk it. So we are going to bring you out. Me, Kukuma, if you want to bring anything out, me, I tell now where they mumu. All those words say mumu. If you want to bring anything, I know about my family, wait, not the media. So if you bring out, it's kind of you're wasting your saliva. I be shaming the shameless. Go, treat yourself, you know, even popular. Or this tweet on go Facebook where we say the most people they stay. All my picture they there, my family, everybody there. I be celebrity blogger, you never hear. Shaming the shameless. Go YouTube by day. Go anywhere. Not only Instagram, not to the post. So no even bother to say you want this one go drag her. It make if my picture feed there, I feel damage your page for TikTok. Shall that not be issue? I feel strike you, but if I feel like me in a popular face before, so no bother. You want saga mommy Joyous. Mommy Joyous, so hey oh, he has my door. Not the way you want to tell me, shame me the shameless when it comes to Roda Ekpudo matter. You dey hear so. I know tell. If Nakmagolo you want me, I put for body to do saga of this girl. I did one. So if you saga me, you are wasting your time. But not let me catch your mama picture or your girlfriend picture. Because me and man not feel the battle west. If you saga me, I come for your mother and your girlfriend. Now your girlfriend I go through and like you go, I go blow her. And as I do, you, I'll still go carry a juju, take the sweat for your generation. If I fair come for you. You see this by a matter, juju don't surplus. Me, I put the boy. For punishment. I fair put on before. Mona carry and go anywhere. We they look for the father. Mona look this boy, Mona look the first daughter, Mona judge. So Akpo, na me post you today because who you fuck first post my ass. We not know. We not do anything. So Akpo, now the question goes like this. Do you sleep with Rhoda? Ekpo do, abi you not sleep with her. Rhoda don't assess say you are her ass. Now, people now, they come and they tell you say, who be the Akpo? It's right time for you to climb up, come defend. How you? No, na share. God punish you. You share my ass now. No level. You still get one. I get like 3. Exactly where it dey. Now you use your mouth, tell me, and I get a picture. Say exactly two now one of your S. Them any. So this one maybe they have born now where they argue for, and you confirm and say I get the record is your S. So as far as you post my S, I also have the right to post your S. Oh yeah, this boy now have to come outside. She have to come outside to look more than look and look his first daughter make una judge. Screenshot. Yes, so no level. Good one. Do me, I do you, God, not the first. All this one that they talk, I not come here, come they talk, waiting not make sense. The day you trespass your boundary, why they do my thing? More na check her. In are the first daughter where they talk, more na look the resemblance. I don't know if your wife will come. If he come, your wife need to ask you question. And this boy, my people, my brother, they're not supposed to sleep together. They're not even supposed to date. And at the same street, that the same area the day, the boy house not far from her house. That is abomination. For the same person where you and I come from the same village, not supposed to sleep. They get some community, they call them for Obiaja, where they're not supposed to sleep together. If you born for this boy, that pikin na his sister, now this boy's sister, they not go feel say, they not go feel married, they not they feel married. This girl open eye, go carry. Now I made the boy they run. So this girl open eye, go they sleep with the person with the be sister, and that thing is set back. Una way they talk, we get tradition for us land. We get tradition. Yes, we get tradition. We get tradition for us land. You cannot sleep with that automatically. Wait till you dey talk say go reach there. Now you fair ask of DNA. You remember 3 years ago, you say me and Mama Titi go do DNA for pikin. Now you don't reach your turn. Your own nana, the whole world they ask you. The whole world are asking Mumu Tibi Diro that do their shower kobo the husband snatcher. Say who is the father of the first child? Okay. Many people don't full line. I don't know say I never accept to. Hello, Mama. Good evening, man. If you know say you join, no make like you talk. Oh, small, I no get time to check time. Where I go, Mona, give me gift this night. Now I need to suppose relax. Where I go, wait till you do me, you go coffee. No. So that is that. This is the boy. Now the clear picture is clear. Look the first speaking. So now the video where you just say is your S, and we are not asking is that God? God of Nazareth. This is what I hate. Abel, let me concentrate. Is that God the father of your first daughter, or is it Ezali? Or is it Ozo no mama Christian Jebo no fia who desire? She no catch Jebo family, shameless family, useless. Some of them don't mad for different cities die. Some of them go abroad na deportation. The boy family na cause family. May I tell me today? When it comes to the boy family, na cause family. Na cause family. So come abroad, na man, the man for train station, they die. So now go smoker. So now go bien. For abroad, na cut is the condo. Till eternity, nothing good come out of them. Now they hear me so. When this girl go sit down, you fear not catch you. You come, they share drag still there. You come, they carry Ijebo family. Come, they put her for Ojuju. Come give my father-in-law. For this, Ogun go kill you. Christian Jebo I never come for the family saga. No, now they happy this time around. Now in me, they born. Now they make her every 3 times now for they do live video for you. I just newly born. Now they save this saga. Don't worry. My saga, you know, they finish. Now you say to eternity, see you buy. And me sit down put because you don't to commit. Anything you do me, I will do it times 100. God punish you. Since you stand 5 years, imagine, no. You imagine as I did now, I go find Wahala. As I go find Wahala now, then I can't go use my talk with no good. When they come answer me, I can't go carry my husband family, can't put their name. If not responsible people, if not be mad people, they be. If the boy family not be mad people, they'll come carry on a picture, on a name. They'll come put her for the Ojuju, go they share and give people. Why you know they put your family in, they may they destroy family, they go. Because you guys are also useless. No, because the boy mama now shower they say still do tikba. The husband mama. Now Osho is still do before ikba. So what is now the cocoa and the wing? He went this one on come outside. Those that go find trouble finish. All the name way don't call people. You say I need DNA for my picking. You tell Mama Titi say he born for 3 man. Now I will tell you now say you too. This your first pikin. Now this man get her. Akpo, you go know the day where you fuck Rhoda. Shedrack day. Akpo day. Ezali day. I get all their picture. Sumo. This one and now you don't feel accept say now your enemy, yes. But if you still come now, maybe you still put to for them because now you they destroy people family. Any of your ex, you know they let her go. You know they let any of your ex go. I want to understand one thing. I want to ask question. Why be say if we the Esan people face you, you know they fit talk. Now only Benin people, more than no verse my Benin lovers, more than no they give on that space. Now who don't know and reach us, now they fear her. As it dey now, if mama said they find rescue. If you still call mama na beg, if mama go still dey beg. Na beg, he go still dey beg. I no send her. Make una beg, make una forgive her. Me no be wahala. Imagine mama dey tell person say, even though my pikin tell you that kind thing, you not supposed to talk and come outside. That means your mama and you know say no be that man get that pikin. According to wetin they say your mama talk. And you want talk, you say the palace not forbid you, but they want your mama make he warn you. Make I repeat am. They want your mama make he warn you. May you go move, may you no bring problem, may you no ever carry ojuju from Benin, carry give Isha. And make Ijebo family, if they know say they want, they get respect for where they for marry. Say whether where they for come marry, whether they carry ojuju come meet them. More than the listing, in case una one craze go roll no level for there. Now make I say make she go there. Yes, if you can't go Irua, I mat. You did not get my mama for come. If I go everywhere still. Yes, waka go the Esan land. The king tell and say, now, as it is now, make the mama want this girl. May I remove the boy so make I start with the girl, make they know what the turtle. So you all don't come out. Next time when you see person, they do you. Oh yeah. So now mama can't talk say he no send the pikin. Now pikin can't they cry. What are we going to do now? Now the king tell mama say, first of all, read the Ijebo way put for the paper. They know they come somewhere there for they marry. Now they come marry for our tribe. They no get right to come somewhere with person. Yes. So if he put Ijebo family, according to her, he put Ijebo family, he go come sit down. They represent the man. Is that no stupidity of a family? The family of Ijebo, are they not useless like that? They are useless. Una dey wayward. When this guy they constitute nuisance for media, why na no carry and sit down, caution her. And they'll give the one where they carry go today now the drunk away they 10,000 naira and then they give her. If they say my husband family, they ask her which of the family. You go ask her which of the family. If you get family, the whole world they against you like that, you not supposed to hide yourself. The family of the man, not they carry you enter house, coach you. I can't dey. You go come warrant to my husband family, come sit down for media. They go, they drag them laga. I go still get my go put their name for Ojuju. Go put their name. See, Ojuju where they swear for person. If you show for camera, for Facebook or TikTok, that one not be better Ojuju. I fit tell on daddy. Ojuju where you go look for camera, if you don't have phone, you tell look at go enter your body. Now that one be better Ojuju. This one way they do na TikTok Ojuju. Where am Juju? Where can you be no Juju? Fear go fair enter you. This one where you go carry, so it be like say you don't know those or Juju don't fade. No be better Juju for me. Now TikTok or Juju. If a Juju wants life for person, you don't need to post them. Or Juju where they post, real Juju my way really get medicine. No one make you post them. They know they want to make you post waiting they want to. So if they disturb my show now. If you want to threaten people, not be we born and brought up in this and not be me and you you don't know many places where we don't go police. You say na court we want for end up. And Kekeli, I am waiting, all the voice record, all my proof when I get against you, I hold on tight. You understand? Last, let me and you go Nigeria where you want for start. Me I get where I want for start. I dey here, not carry my head put for here. I dey build my future, my brand, everything for Nigeria. I dey here, still they build them. So I no serious in me. I don't understand. Maybe last two of us will the carry us go as more go rest. Me myself need the rest. Jam myself now stress on you. You understand? So now, the juju where you want carry come, go a salon, go carry juju come. Make sure normally we know the like when you carry a yelala come my village, you even me say the yelala people self they know me. My old friend self, na yelala himself. Now you know that one cause na my friend you carry come here. Everything quench. And the worst part, your mama, you know they give her better money. They will come say bring money, make they take when they so your mama will come they gather 2,000, 1,000, 300 before if you gather money. You give Ijebo family no afiyan we no get better money. You know you give them 10,000. You say make they carry car. You know they stupid so. You supposed to be ashamed of yourself. You supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Ijebo family, they are a disgrace of a family. If una no be disgrace of a family, una no go sit down. Una no go sit down. Una go let exhibit where Samuel reject, Ezali reject, Shedrach reject, Akbo reject. They con carry con give una. Una go con sit down. Con they say, now this one that they call her wife. Person where go Nigeria, not they stay where on the day they go and go they sleep with the S's. You go they sleep with the S for hotel for room. Una go come sit down. Una come they call that one wife. Una not the shame. Brother go Nigeria. He go pay hotel for people with fair friend and before he come abroad. He go sleep with them. He use the man tell me so. Not be second chop. Then you come sit down. They say you want prove yourself. Oh, you want prove yourself. Now don't know you. Now those TikTok people where their eye blind, where they no get ear, where they don't know you. Like me now, don't know you. People where know me go come and when you say you bring me come and you see anybody where come talk say na so snatch your husband. And according to the Juju man, the man still read and say you say you the girl call you husband snatcher. That Juju man, if to say you know, oh, therefore saga your Juju. Now TikTok or Juju man you be. How you want to make her now? This kind of a Juju man, how you want to make her? Better Juju people, they no need to cause disgrace yourself for TikTok. Before people go say, take 100,000 daddy, take 200,000 daddy, take all yourself. Your own now, you can't say person, call person husband snatcher. You can't go write for Juju paper. No be Juju be that one. No na ask that Juju man. No be Juju be that one. I don't understand how na take the summer. Okay, just carry. If next time if a person meet you, not waste your time because that's why you not go reach. You not go reach. This road and even though you do bad thing, go still tell you say, make we swear. Me and I don't go with George. Waiting him talk, he say one swear put. He even talk say me carry my pikin come for Italy. Yes, now that one I talk for Palace. I'll bring the video out. He did this my page where I for post a yellow paper where break home. Years ago, go down, you go see when the king, the people who represent king, they talk. He did. You don't understand? That same Ojuju can't talk. He can say, I say, make it go. That 4 years ago, now me they talk this thing. Make it go do, what do you call her? DNA for your first speaking. But that's they don't give me all the information. As I talk, you know what this girl do? He just run go bring Ojuju come and shut me up. If you know, say you know her, you know what you they talk concerning that your first daughter. She they run her task at her, she go want shut you up. That is a trick. She go want use Ojuju threaten you. As he bring Ojuju, me I get family. They not reject me. I no come abroad, come forget my family everywhere, Matt. You understand? Now they can't go palace. So. Now I can't tell Palace say, in 2 thoughts, say me carry belle for Italy. I never, when I come abroad, now UK they go. I can't pass through Paris, France. Now they owe me for France. Now I take stay France. I not go that my Italy when I go now. When I don't take for France, I go visit like Bologna, Verona, Modena, and my Milan. I go visit for Italy. I never stay Italy. Now me come to say me, I not carry belle for Italy. Make she too talk, swear. If she say me not carry belle for Italy. This guy say, excuse me, sir. The man can't try say to us. Made everybody go away. Can't swear put say, can't use the no now listen to the swear way they worry this guy. He can't use the gods of a salon and swear say anybody will bring this matter come again. Elimie san. The ghost of a salon will visit that person. My people, my mama can't want me. I can't do my dad. I don't even need wahala. Lo and behold, man, I know the problem where this girl problem for the start they come. Not be all those media alone. Now the swear where they swear for her years back. Now they hunt and so. Now waiting use the hand the way see they carry another swear now. Now they hunter. They could say me sakin now no reabegbe. At your is like the judge you give the gods of Esan land. He not reach 3 days oh. This girl come outside again. He begin drag us. I give her 3 days. Now I call my father. I call my mommy. They come, they say, make her leave her, make her leave her. Last night I say no, it don't too much. Now this swear where they swear for, I go bring that video. That video I go reshare am. It them this my TikTok. Now wait till they worry and so. Now sumo you don't see. All this, you don't see, all this running a tasket and sumo, the gods of Esaland don't swear for them. The kings of Esaland don't swear for you. Now me talking, if you say Allah go bring that proof. Which one you come they say the girl say the king of Esaland don't vomit me. Yes. Make I bring this swear come outside. So if you want carry juju, come be careful. Not when I did this case. I carry my Bobby, take back up that girl. Yes. Now so you can't do me for Facebook. You can't send person. They go video my papa house. You back to this thing, you come outside for their show. They talk say, now me. He know me. I say, you know, you should say you know me. That time they leave you. If you know me, you're the run for my problem because I don't defend person. So now the ghosts of Esaland, they fight you. You know, say, so no even go there. Me when say go Esa. You will not know anything where they carry her. We go do this. You don't know this girl. You don't know what she don't commit. Now we dang Toto for this matter for years. She know what she do where they hunt until today. So make she not come the form. They say because I can't marry, because I be Esa. I know not go Benin, go Esaland. Even though you swear any swear for Esa, not go rich because the gods they use and swear for you. The kings, the forefathers, if king talk, that they obey. If reach your turn, you say who be king. King they talk, you talk for an night. They tell mama, shut up. Shut up. I have the record. King want you can still continue again after they want you for the Uromi. Now they for married, now they are born put. I be covered and we are married put now that they are more people where they produce king for Uromi. So I don't just like all my children are prince and princess of Uromi land. So I don't just be who you want just come, they do a bad. If you guess and you suppose avoid us. All the things I be the one where you tell me they collect my children. Fear no catch you, you can't go report my children, give social, make they collect my children. What you never do me? So now the ghosts of Esaland, they fight you. And you know the last time, what you king tell your mama, make it go warn you. Make them stop this thing. Go Esaland. And if you want go Esaland, go Uromi. Now we have 2 for come. If you know someone for anywhere for Esa, the king of Uromi, I don't tell her. If you want to still go bring another juju, you want to go by yourself, may you go. You go send people to go. I only pity your mama because your mama know when I don't swell up for body. That's all now. That's all don't worst. Your mama newly come for hospital. So your mama know where right now as we dey talk. So may you the money where you suppose they give this ojuju, you suppose use and go take care of your mother. You they lie say your mama no get so again, which the sort don't worst. Your mama as we dey talk now for December when my husband say the woman no, he said money that woman no go last again. It there be like who cause don't follow. This reality I'm telling you, say there be like who cause don't follow, which is real. But if the cause stop for you, if your mama still come on for way now, say God don't call her. It go still reach now. You be the next because you, your mama, and your siblings gather they beat your papa that time. Brother, tell the world now. You talk now. You talk for Facebook so now they gather beat una papa. Picking where papa swear for. Picking where elders of Ilan swear for. Picking where the gods of Esaland swear for. Now you want join the fight battle. You know, since if you want join a fight battle, you carry, you know, you go carry. Forgive me for everything. Who they beg me? Wait till I cost to do. You go carry cause where you don't know. So what you don't know, don't even evolve. This girl is a cursed child. Now let God know. I just pray may your mama they alive because the woman, you know they tell the woman the truth. When problem go they beg. The mother go they beg. All these things where do I wish you not involve my mama? If I not bring my mama so come aside, why you going to humiliate my mama? Why will you do that to my mother? I don't play with my mom. I don't play with my family. Anything concern my family, I don't play with it. You can't feel say you do my now your mama gets off for leg. Now come they come and mama say I gets off for leg. Last now I go see all your history. I tell you say your mama fall for cover. Why you never go carry me? No, now they listen to wait here. They tell this the heavy word. Why she know they go if your mama no fall for cover? carry me go palace. Say they say my mama fall for Kovo. If you really fall, because if you fall for Kovo for a sanad, now the palace there for the Georgia. Your mama fall as a winch I be enough for. What are you not saying? You want go juju? They waka go juju now. They go know us. They go tire. I don't know which one this DNA not be Ozuo no mama K-leg. The man where they pee for body, no be get picking. Why that one can't they pepper you for body? Not be today that they talk. So you see who knows you. You can't the one cut and off. You not fit cut anybody short. If you cut them short, you cannot cut me short. Yes. Your mama confess as a witch or you no confess. So if your mama they sick, you wish no feel safer. So which you want to fight anybody for this media where they go the wrong? They say me you go no be you get picking. You go do DNA now because you don't fair ask me and Mama Titi say mo go do DNA. Why this one is gonna be stressed? So anybody where don't know you, where they use the hair carry waiting, no no. Now only the cause we follow you where go follow. Now me they fear. I don't know why they drag people join your misfortune. Those where they don't know you, they'll come know you maybe 1 year or 2 years. They'll come they say Oroda. Now who don't know you? Me I know your acquaintance to the extent your background. So the gods of a salon, the gods of this, they swear where they swear for you. Now they run for you. Now they deal with you. Now take it. Karma is real. Your karma is now. Hellfire is real. Hellfire is now. So I don't release one of the S. I don't release one. And if you push me, I go release Ezali. If you push me again, I go release Shadrach. And more are still coming. I go bring that Kokobiri where sleep with you. I go release the picture. You never see anything. I go do see for this TikTok. You still they sit down, still they talk about the single mother, say single mother. Your mama's single mother na useless part. Your mama born 2 children. As he born 2 children, before he enter husband house, he still enter your papa house. He still they sleep around. He used sleeping around take by your papa. Now you they talk to single mother. Your mama where you tell me say, rather, if you tell me say Yahoo they sleep with your mama, go summon me. I bet you. If you not tell me say now Yahoo boys they sleep with your mama, go summon me. Kukuma if you summon now, Jojujuma will call me. He go self for free collect for me because I'll saga and first before I will answer. I know the answer Juju. If you summon me now, my whole place is king. If you tell me say your mama know they sleep with Yahoo boy, go summon me. When you go Nigeria, the year 2000, the last Nigeria where she go, yes. The last Nigeria where she go, I be now 2 times she don't go Nigeria. The first time where she go Nigeria, he say if they make up, if mama to go they make up. Say make I go see mama now. Yahoo boys now they sleep with your mama. So if your mama will born you, feel they sleep with Yahoo boy. Who is single mother where they young, where they not go feel sleep with any man where they want sleep with? What is your pay? If driver where they carry me go occasion, I ask and say, you know, Ekpudu family. The woman where be picking can't do marriage so yeah. He tell me say I can't tell. He say yes. He goes say that family that woman. He say if I want sleep with that woman, Nana, make we go. I go tell her say it be my sister. I go give her 1,000 naira. I go sleep with her. Driver now he tell me where they carry me go Obiaro come for marriage. I say now family be this one. He said go sleep with her. Nah. I was so ashamed of myself. So who are you to talk to? Single mother. So make I bring people up. May I begin pump my body. May I give my prince. God punish you. My children now my person now be you get picking. Now you get picking. If you even see all my children when I bought from my husband, you know that if you see the one where I fell before I marry, you go still know and see papa. So no different. So I no see reason. We are con they now they talk, huh? Oh, you want shut her up as you want to shut me up. You know what made they know your secret. Yahoo boys lick your mama because I be the no liquor. Your mama because of car by your papa. You now because of car you collect person husband. No be swear be that one. No be juju be that one. Thank you all my gifters. When we finish this also no mama. So you if anybody you're the crazy, make I tell you. No come for me first.
Some of them they all of them don't dirty. If not
I bet you know say you enter my shop, you go mute. People don't apply since. May I put some people where they Who be this? Now mute now. You say I can't do saga, I'm going to kill you, mama. If I want to do you saga, I meet the person. I go spend any money. So far, you not fair do me. Tell me sure I bring your generation, your great grandfather. I go bring a comedy. Not come for me first though. If na man to just take the time, maybe man. But say you go to the extent you go to involve my family, your generation will come outside for this TikTok. Oh, you want to contribute? No, not contribute before I continue.
Hello, my
I
sister.
think my network is slow mostly.
Hello?
Yeah, mama. Good evening, my lady.
Hello, Mama. Good evening. How are your side now?
Bless
Mama,
God, how the family? Are they
family
here?
dey fine. We thank God. You know wetin even dey vex me now? Now, instead of her to go bring DNA result come out, wey go show say yes, 100%, everybody go sure say na the man get pikin. E go dey give another person juju paper. Juju
No be juju
paper.
be that one.
That one, because for me, I feel say that juju matter when she say that so her family, her husband family, they
Emmanuel,
e dey reversible. As in, hello, you dey hear me, mama?
Are they here? Person they
It's
talking. Yeah, I
possible
know.
say
Oh, yeah,
later
make
dem
them.
go wash that thing comot for body, because wetin me see for there, juju no be the solution, na DNA. Pikin wey everybody wey many people don dey shout say no resemble your husband, if the husband no really dey inside bottle allegedly, na DNA test na the family go ask for,
Wait, oh.
make you go do.
Wetin I wan ask, wetin concern the husband? And the husband they say no be born pikin. I been na the wife, the ashawo kobo they suppose put in name. Now your woman they accuse. Why you can't they put your name? Me wanna ask that question. I
Na
want
be
to
the
understand
thing
that
dey
part.
talk
Say,
so na the man
as I then I go use my hand carry wahala. I can't go they put my husband name. Sure, why they plan evil against now? Now me go carry me now. Say I be 1 in 10 in a million. Be the talker. I go chest and no level.
no
Since I know
level.
say my heart is free.
The man no fit talk na. The man don spoil already as e dey there, so e just be like who dem dey push him head up and down. Anything wey e want na e go do for am. So the man no get choice. Na the thing wey e say make e do for am na e dey do for am. And me see everything as set up. Camouflage. Na camouflage. All this one na just to take buga, to take do bragado. Say yes.
As you say this girl so, it don't depress. As you say no, they fit take saga, but they fit give wetin no fit take. Lie. If they convince people, he don't do a lot of things to cover this shame and this grade. Now karma, now gods of Ace and Land, they fight him. So if you not say you want fight gods of Ace and Land, if you they fight for them, no problem. This one not be talk. You know how many times I don't swear for them. They crazy. If you say na lie, go post proof. God
The shame and
punish you.
disgrace don too much. See the way she take do that woman. If that woman, if no be woman wey strong, say person wey be say e still get God for back, she for don enter depression. That
It don't
woman.
enter the woman treatment spiritually, of course. Person wey fit go through conversion, come meet my pikin. When you newly start saga with me, that I never even strong for saga. I never understand say that they use Ojuju do saga again. Yes, she did it. She throw conversion means my baby now we call senior baby.
Lord of
She throw
Jesus.
conversion. You know what this girl don't do me. So if I come out for her, no, they can't come and make person come say, oh, make this. I be one woman mopu. I don't need crowd to face her. I say I hope pikin for her. Let me explain that. I hope pikin for her like this. That thing just dey saga me. Everybody say, mommy, Joe, money, all the way. My husband they say, only and beg. I know say she no feed. I beg. Everybody. My family they say, and all this disgrace. You know me, I'm not used to those things. Before I come strong, this guy make me strong. I get 10 mind. I hope pikin for my hand though. Pikin they play. Before you know, you just be like say pikin do like this. He like maybe he just play a role come down.
Yes.
Come the way say come oh, thank you mama come oh. Before I know pikin dey seize.
Lord of
That time she
Jesus.
dey a year plus. Now I look and say, me and my husband like this, my sister. Now I told pikin my husband just dey pull hand. Now I say no. I naked, I begin the kabash. I said,
Yes,
God, you know, give me
pray.
pikin, me person key. I dey pray within 10 minutes. Now I be 5 minutes. My husband 10 minutes. They can't call Abla. As we pray, pikin, the thing can't stop. Now my pikin, which is baby joyous. Now he stop. Now he stop. No be so. I never since that. Even when we do get things that all this, I never experienced that thing once. Now he stop. Oh, you know, Ibona they'll say me they check the brain. But me I know say now this girl that time just they lose guard. You know this saga. Let me tell you something. If you are coming for her, be spiritually matted. Mad spiritually. They always tell anybody where they come for her.
Jesus.
The other day we bring another proof. The other day we give me a yelala paper that night. I say I fight with snake. No snake where I don't fight with daddy. I never still that time I just still never too understand and where. When it newly start now, after the yelala before the conversion, I think I be after the conversion. Snake where I don't fight with that day no day. From one snake to another for like bush where they don't complete building. From one snake to another. After the fight, now I wake up. The morning, the next that wake up day, the day where I wake up. Now that day they say bring a juju paper, come give me. Now I say, hey, now I dream so. I escape up more than 50 snake where I fight with that day for dream. So if you are coming for her, I am telling you, me I not they talk my own hide though. People where don't know me and the matter don't know. Conversion. So all these things before she now don't tire for my matter. He can say where she say she no reach. People no pass her. I know they use. I know they do.
That's what she dey run for the other lady.
I better protect myself.
They run for Goya
protect my family. I believe in God. For Europe, I'm telling you, since when I did abroad, I never experienced such thing. If I because that conversion, come swear.
Hey, congratulations.
When my daughter fall, he sees. He papa, I say kabash kobosh me where they born for inside church. I pray, pikin. Pikin sees they bring white eye, comments. White eye, small pikin, a year plus that time. Wait till this girl never do. Wait, now the one when me see. You know what this girl don't do? Nigeria, when I go the last time, we not get accidents. Now God save her, nobody wound.
Yeah.
And then Nigeria, they call neighbor. If they call my neighbor for help, she don't come. For a man say she don't die.
She wonder whether you dead alive.
Listen, me I tell you how I take the call. Hello, go first greet you where I have my children. In case if they call you now, you there in that condition. Make I tell you her logic. This is a physical which way you the system. How my this, how my that. School don't resume. Oh. You never, your neighbor never come. You check whether a light on for inside, gonna the same building. That one say, me do, children need to start school. She never come. And that one say, he never send go check if light there for night. This girl.
Lord of Jesus.
You see, I say ask her so, you don't get information be that. You understand that so psychologically or sarcastically, I want to speak that one again.
Sarcastically.
She don't get her information be that. Say we never come. But you no go no say na information she can collect.
Monitoring
this
spirit.
Girl carry he car. He can't stand for front of my house. He can't snap my back running. When me and people get saga for Facebook. He stand for road, snap my door, my back running. Marker, go give people, make they go write petition against me for embassy. My Facebook fans, if una hear me, una come up, me una content and waiting this girl don't do. He can't snap her, give bloggers. Say, see house where me they stay. I feel they say house, person just shoot go. Boy, I don't know who go carry my house. Go give them. This same girl.
Now they talk say, law, if you press charges, law.
I see there now, the backyard work where they do. The backyard work where they do concerning that girl, not be small. The backyard work where they do concerning this girl. No be small backyard work. So make una know say person where you want say, hey, why they do it like that? Make una know who they deal with. Person do so say he go tell police. Not even never like give police. I know thief person document. She is very dangerous. You know witchcraft. She's jealous. She's a jealous type. Number one. When you better pass her, you go define your downfall. You want to know everything about you. When your husband good, you no good. You go they tell you waiting your husband not talk. You go they tell your husband waiting you not talk. This is rather for you. And she's a blunt liar. You know when it comes to lie.
Jesus Christ.
Which means now she go, they attack Mommy Titi. You know how many times don't attack the ex-wife children?
I
Una know
know.
that one.
That thing make me that
Literally, we don't attack them.
herself. That single mother matter.
Now
which
that is that they say, this guy knock me and swear be say, he don't know himself. If me as not be good, not be better good, if they use and do. If not better good, if for good. God punish you. Then one husband come tell me say this thing. Now, if you follow and swear, you wait they look me. He say make una swear. No go follow and swear. Thank you, Mommy Bongre. Good evening, Mama. No go follow and swear. Go wash that swear for your head. I don't feel one una.
Exactly.
You go wash am.
Exactly. Wetin my listening tell me today. Now you be that.
Don't follow her to swear any swear. Let only they chop the swear, they buy the instrument, they swear the swear by her own self. Then if you get what you want, don't still print her whole picture and her family picture, go do your own for back. No follow her, say no, na they exchange swear. But any she ran. Don't try it. Make go swear, then you too do your own. You go lose guard yourself.
Exactly wetin my mind tell me today.
You no need to shout your own comments.
Upon they talk and say, this kind
No,
swear,
try am.
this person wan swear na wash own.
He go wash am for you. Don't try any swear. Make they swear. Make they swear. Now so
But
they
that Mommy Titi na God save am gon say comot for that kind family too.
the woman a prayerful woman and you want follow this one, they do saga, you lose guard yourself. You want die. You want die. Person where they fit carry Papa grave use nature. And since when since I was born, I never see that thing. But when I see Papa grave, how they say use nature in Papa grave, come enter me. I say only this thing. I say only so all this history today, this girl left. Why you bring and come my family? How
They use chain burial ground.
I know. For where bush forest where they for bury Papa. As they go video round, the person said, "Nay, chook for a leg." They use nay surround, not be chain, nay. Surround the grave.
Lord,
You they say so person. You know when they say spiritually they keep person now. They go use nails. That means not change the chain in spirit may not feel revenge.
may not feel react.
It there with me. Yes, now they do for you, Papa. They cage the spirit. The person come they shout. I say this thing before you know. Now so my mama confirm. My husband say he no Arisha so. Now school therefore no. If he know he go, because when my husband, I never knew how. Now my husband introduced and come, you know. So before 1 year friendship where he come follow me and my family do. Now he quarter for years where this guy no let me rest. Even this I get belay this December. He still come the con neighbor making ask her whether me really get belay. May go narrate me, may go plan evil. Now I bring this last quarter, so I dare my day with this guy. Come, I dare my day. Then if you look for trouble, finish for Facebook, you go run country talk say no, they find me. I call Sagara one day now because I dey Sagara, me una know the truth. Now I go bring, go summon me. He go bring Ojuju come for Benin for this December, not knowing that my husband dey house. And this girl, if they saga you, they always target people marriage. Her mission on earth is to destroy marriages. Leave me.
She go be single mother. Finally, she must turn single mother.
God punish you. I never told
single mother one day.
Now, any son, let my tears on, man. So any son person, if you be any tribe, don't follow and go swear any juju. If you want swear, make him swear. And if you not say you swear, match your back. I dey tell you. Then if you go sit down, please double tap. Where are my gifter? Thank you, my gifter. If you go sit down, say, hey, na line, na TikTok, na Facebook talk, they talk. Now you can't know. If you go sit down, say this one, no, maybe na saga. Me, I know they do saga. They bring reality. All information, it be like fake book like this for me. I know they rush. When you want to, when I go publish and go publish, God go punish you. The day when you carry anything you do, me, I go do you times 100 for life. For you to carry my name, I get the Lego put for Juju place for Bini, nearly to born. You go summon me for Juju place. I don't even answer the person, talk less of to even say, if na swear now this swear now you are ready for the work now. Because now you decision.
She go they spend all her last cup for Juju be that.
Now, this girl can spend 1 million for Juju. He can spend more than 2 million for Juju to bring person down. You don't know.
You go tell
you can't go carry my name for Juju for December, then you can't continue talk. You know they talk. Then I mean they talk. Now God go punish Ijeba family where you put for that Juju paper. Ijeba family now God go punish you now. We be so now useless, now wayward. We be say they give you now $10. 10
And I go give them
now
money.
don't frustrate. Don't get one pound. Where be soon I go sit down. Person can't find me. I answer her. Don't he won't be go juju go leave his family name. Ekpudu. Ekpudu na be family name. Roda Ekpudu.
Okay,
They go
but they
go
use
put
it,
you.
they
No,
go.
no say I'm not stupid. Yes, as I did now, can't go carry my husband family. Say the summer person. When me don't by myself carry myself enter me. Now my name I go put. I know the summer. If you tell me, I tell you. I not see why I go summer person.
I even
The
like
only
the
way we
no
don't
dey
hear.
do am. E no get say no be for a platform. E no get say no be him go contact the person make she go do everything by herself.
He know where to go. In the king where you they thought say that the king no swear for you say Olivier Sadi no alter. Why you can't they come to say he say see go Nigeria for April no level. If na police you take on your mama na army and go carry and they go brutalize and make she jump by. If you try here. Now who no know you. The family background, they don't even get anything. No. Very poor family background. I'm telling you guys. Nothing.
In
Very
fact,
poor family background. This guy instead of you to
really
elevate
shock
your
me.
family, your
Oh.
junior ones, you go sit down, they use money, they summon people. Is that not stupidity?
She shock
When
me.
you
Oh,
thought
the
say I
woman
carry
shock
belle for Italy,
everybody.
come born her. Ojuju don't kill you. When you thought say my father-in-law kill pikin bury am, Ojuju don't kill you. He don't buy you.
Ha.
Wait till you talk.
You
We
sha.
can't tell you now say your own pikin na akpo get am, and you don't confirm say akpo na your S. For that word alone, I know say Ojuju, if Ojuju man get sense, he not suppose even swear that way. You accept saying na your S. So go do DNA to clarify your name because you are not even sure of that
Na
of
DNA.
if it is yes, go
Na
and do
DNA
it.
no
Why are
be
you so scared? Why are
juju.
you
Na
scared?
DNA. I
If
shock when I
anybody
see
talk
the
about that your first
juju.
daughter DNA, you want shut them up with DNA. You want shut them up. Why? Why they go like that? But you go
Na
fit tell
DNA.
Mama Titi say your children are tiri kokobiri, he born for kokobiri. To the extent you even say the husband are kokobiri, he born for your husband. He come boy say the three children wey born, na only one be your husband oh for inside.
And they not
Jane
bring the
wey
new
dey,
paper for her. Oh.
where the Jane picture, you wey dey, you collect Nana. Now God will punish you.
They not bring juju paper for her. Oh. With everything wey she talk. Oh. The way she don take am
You know
insult
wetin?
people,
Na either she no fit do
abuse,
anything with you.
down,
May e go now. Wetin he talk, he go clarify am. Na me wan follow do that one.
down. Na it just be down. Oh my down. Her own too much.
Better one peers. Igbiagia no mama. Igbiagia wey no make am. All his siblings dey do ashawo for room. I go bring Ujomesh. I go bring his sister wey dey go find for Ashawo road before they say am break up. They come put am for SN News say that they find sister. Una never see story. All his siblings. One of your sister wey buy friend. His sister too buy friend. Collect the boyfriend because of DJ for room. Make I mention him. Your old junior sister wey born for here. Make I post am. Good evening, my sister. Wetin make Akpa die friend wey go carry belle for the friend boyfriend? Tell the word. Now your family, you want Coco, you can't. Now you know how your family, you can't drag people. God go punish you. Go palace.
The way it
Go
is,
palace.
why I go meet a no gay this evening? This is surprise me.
I know understand why they drag Papa Nora.
But you get the way
And the
Papa
thing now,
Nora said, the way Papa Nora fans with them. I never want to watch the video. Say as bloggers come contact on this.
you know wetin dey pay me?
Now, come dey
Papa
watch.
Nora now, make he avoid this issue of this. They are not saying make they not do friend because you don't know who you they deal with. He not really.
Even the way
The girl don't they give her truth. He not they give
that
her
one for
truth.
the life.
Now he just they pay me.
The way they put the
May he fight, he fight.
that man, very as a very useless and hopeless person.
He get character. Person wey go tell you say they beat their papa. Now he want respect person.
Character not there, but imagine what they do and no get for life. Now what he got to do your husband for his house. Imagine that kind of person. Oh, now not know that
Where
person.
they open nyash for.
And I don't want to come across that person for my life. But you see that girl, everything that they talk about, and one not lost.
He dey show na. He dey show
One
na.
not
His
lost.
person dey. He must show a character. He no fit hide am.
One
Character na wetin you no fit do. As I dey na people, as I dey talk na people go know say this.
Yeah, what they call her lucky nice top polo. They go they insult Mama Titi. You see this paper? Wait,
Insult na today. Make dem
you
talk.
see
Dem go
this
tell you.
paper wey come out, only people wey get spiritual eyes and person wey get sense go know say those insults wey dem dey insult am since, na dis girl dey give those two people information wey dem take dey insult am. You understand?
Which is the one inside Mama T wey one?
Then at the end of the day, okay, paper come and now you summon person, you run go dey share am for people, make dem for say na you be Odunga, be na wetin, make God punish you.
Make it. Why you not talk as the girl come now? You for follow the girl argue now since you be Odunga. Person go face you, they run, you go dey meet. All those your boy where they used to they do soapy, conji. Now those boys say they come for backyard because the man says 6 months, you know they near am.
The person,
And so
the person wey dey, the one wey dey Cindy, that one you dey cry, just dey cry. My Mary,
I not see any boy where be say useless now. Where they cause himself. I no understand. Me, I not see mama with girlfriend picture. I no get time problem with boy. Now woman go to woman, I they talk. Me, I not see mama, not be TikTok. Oh, I go put her for our platform. Because
Mama,
me and this
Mama
girl,
don tell am
if
say
you want enter,
she don bring paper.
enter spiritually join now.
He don bring juju
Don't
paper
talk.
for
You went there, you know how they take the carry am.
she don bring juju paper for people. Na make dem go dey pray for am. Everybody dey summon each other.
We juju, I want some. This
No,
one
no
will go
be-
swear, go eat this.
no be-
He go turn this swear against you. Not follow and swear. Oh.
Na Mama T
Not
na dey
follow and
talk.
swear.
Mama T say go still go bring paper for am because he see
Mama T go fit defeat her. If you know say you know dey standard, no follow and do juju things. So you
I
need to match your
am
God.
not this kind of person. I no wan even come across am for my life.
God forbid. God forbid. You where they swear for palace.
Are
Say
you-
make hearing yes and at tears on my yes and you they come out they talk. Now the king or the gods of Esaland they worry you so. This is not about where for come marry. You marry for there. But the atrocity where you they commit for Esaland, Uko. You marry for there. If the family not be hungry family, therefore don't drag you like a kita enter house.
You know your that woman say no support am for anything. You know, me and I no dey talk.
But now the same family now they put their net they summon people. Is that not useless family? If the family gets sense,
man wey dey fit snatch.
I said the Jane that his friend where break on today. He and his friend knock the same man. Make una ask that one. Shey you want come do us come knock the come out that one where they call her Jenny Punky. No be the man. Now you the man be like you can't say too old pass you. Come tell them. Come out. Or say more bear. Come out now. Make them open your own yash. Why you know I said the man? The Jenny Punky way they candy or whatever they call you. You say why when the man after una don't they do na runs with the man? No. Why the man can't like you? Why you know I said the man? So as you know say the man too old and he get wife, then this one can't say he no care because in they use the pikin, he don't give he pikin to S's, they no gree carry am. Now this man, now he want can't give. Now he want can't give. Akpo wait they why they run for Akpo? Imagine oh, you not supposed to talk say you friend Akpo. That is abomination. Efadion and Efadion they friend each other, they sleep with each other to the extent pikin come outside. That is abomination. Oh. Your mama they ask even though she know about that thing, why she go come talk am. So you and your mama know say for today that thing. Your mama know because na wetin she dey do. Your mama they ask say why you go come talk am. When you dey scatter people, your mama no see you. I'll come carry person pikin, I'll come tell mama join me make I cover am, make I give another man. And you come say your future, the enemy no go hold you. Where juju you come dey carry? Who join my show now? Where juju wan work for you, Rhoda?
Last forever. Kama go
Go Saland, who are Agbel. You they say make I go Saland. Go now, go judge. You go no sabi judge. Now today I know you. If you reach there now, go they say, excuse me, sir, what is my offense? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. What is my offense? Now let wait till you go talk. He go they tell you now say, what is our offense? You don't know your offense? You don't know your offense. But you can make my cho on your platform. Person go, look at the confidence in that girl. She was sitting down, giving it to you the way she want it. Then she they tell you, say, talk to me, na me and you. You no fit talk to her. All you could do is to be saying, mute. Wait, I want to ask you, what to make you defend Papa Nora for inside this matter? The same people where they drag Papa Nora, you go give the your husband pictures and everything.
Exactly wetin
Make
even
them
dey
dey drag
pepper
am.
me, wetin dey vex me. Papa Nora said he need to take time, make that
You
girl
go
not
go
use
give
him
am.
that tire.
Then if you want come now, may you come talk another thing. You come, you go beg Papa Nora for back because I know say you go dey beg, you go dey cry. Now so they do me, and I say I know you. Wait till you go feel manipulate. Then when you go reach outside where everybody go sit down, they talk. You go they want to say na me call you, na me say may you help me talk. Na me like una no dey look the body language of Papa Nora. They go come be like say na him dey lie. You go the phone one kind thing saying, you don't understand. Even though, oh Jamie, me want to show na Elena, came on now. You don't understand. You go come be like saying, Papa Nora force and come make come talk.
Papa Nora need to do banana for
I know say, I sabi her wella. You see when that time where Papa Nora they mute, he they call Mama Nora.
Yes.
He go, I dey talk. Now me know when she, if she fit call you, she will convince you.
He dey call am, he dey help am.
He go dey convince. He go dey want distract. He go dey distract today. That one no work for her. It no work for her today because person wey still come to show that one another ace and blood wey dey hot. Yes, when the girl come, you suppose still stand your ground. Sabi na me a person enter platform. As you dey talk, I go dey dark my own. If you dey talk, I go dey talk.
You no fit talk.
Why you come dey drag Papa Nora enter wetin go make fans come dey vex for her? Because if Papa Nora,
she not talk.
Listen, she's trying to. This thing now is not about even her battle. She dey want make it put Papa Nora for people mind where they support that platform. I'm telling you what I know about her because I don't see reason why fans will sit down. That they settle issue already. You go carry the you go back for back. Nora, Papa, Panoje, you know say I be your fan and respect you. I know they really comment, but they watch you for sure. So I know here to come drag you. Like when Juju Okwan, even think say na you and when the girl tell me say they call them for back, say may they come. I was like, why Papa Nora go do this thing? I know expect say you go come because all your fans need to know say you have to be playing when it comes to this. And this girl need to go on platform talk. Why should they carry this issue? Personally, they come to you. If you come, they say me the judge go say no one talk to the person. I want to understand that part. Why you want as a
even this afternoon, they don't say she don't delete the girl number.
The same you get what you talk concerning Jane. You say you block Jane. You know Jane not be your friend. How come later now you come they call Jane, you come mute, they beg her. That time when you mute, you they beg Jane. And you they call the Jane, they beg her. Make it come live, come defend you. And I God will punish you that Jane. Wait, come they cry. After the show, you come they call the girl, the beggar. After the show, that same Jane called the other girl, the beggar. Make it no vex. He no want talk. Make her dey bust on her brain this night. He no want talk. He no want na wetin road that tell her. He no want talk. He no want talk. So you come there.
You dey fear Rhoda.
Come they want do say wetin that girl they talk. You know me now. You know they okay then. You see, you are a betrayer, Jane. And they come for you tomorrow. You are a betrayer. And that girl was respecting you. That girl come they respect you like, you be my sister, Epa, come out to you. But you never respected that sisterhood and friendship. I hate betrayers. You are a betrayer. And because of that, I am going to saga you tomorrow.